Tonight I burn this candle for the whole globe. May each person on this planet be blessed. May them find experiences that are rough, chaotic, painful, and be able to transmute them into love. May each person on this planet experience joy, health, happiness. May God please protect North America, South America, Europe and Asia, Antarctica and Australia. May we always receive blessings from the north, south, west, and east. May we always find love and resources from within. And may we always also find love and resources abound. Tonight, I would like to burn this candle for the globe for everyone who is experiencing pain and turmoil during these recent events. May everyone be protected in Canada. May every child feel safe and warm. May everyone who is unvaccinated as well as vaccinated feel safe, secure, and blessed. There's just a lot going on. And so I hope that everyone finds a moment of peace within themselves and are able to share it with their neighbor. May this experience be a catalyst toward a better future. Instead of separation, I hope for us to stand hand to hand, coming together to create a better earth, a new earth. During everything that is happening, and everyone has different ideas and opinions and viewpoints, regardless of the differences, I pray that we find similarities and a common ground to grow from. May this experience be a seed, and may it blossom into the future as something that is beautiful. So when we look back at this from the past, we find how it was necessary in order to grow that beautiful garden. I hope each one of you find peace, love, happiness, joy, health, all the beautiful things that make us feel blessed upon this earth. Blessings to you and yours.